guys! Today we're going to learn how to make a horizontal double half hitch knot, so just stay tuned and follow along. Hi guys! Welcome back to Macrame Monday. If you are new here, my name is Lainey and this is a YouTube channel dedicated to all things macrame. So today, like I had mentioned in our last video, we're going to learn how to make a double half hitch knot. Horizontal style. So this is what it's going to look like. Someone's also mowing the lawn, so I'm sorry about the noise. Anyway, so stick around and let's learn how to make this guy. So what I have done first is secured my cords with lark's head knots. This is usually the easiest way to do it, but feel free to use whatever knot you want just to make sure that the cords are nice and secure. Now what I like to do, especially when I'm starting double half hitch knots at the top, I will turn this around so the lark's head knots are reversed, and then I can make a nice clean border, or I can start a nice canvas fresh. So let's go ahead and get into this double half hitch knot. Okay, so to start your double half hitch knot, you're going to take the cord on your left hand side. This is going to be your guiding cord. Pull it tight, take that second cord that's right next to it, wrap it over the guiding cord and through the loop, pull it tight, and you're going to do that same motion again. So wrap it around the guiding cord, through the loop, and that is a double half hitch knot. So we're just going to continue that all the way down and make a border. That's it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of the double half hitch knot. For more tutorials, please go ahead, comment what you like to see, and if you enjoyed this video, of course, like, subscribe, and I will see you next Monday.